Good morning, everybody. Today is April 10th, 2020, and this is a little experiment I decided to try with the passion flowers and rooting them in honey. There is a little bit of a trick to this. Passion flowers are very hard to root. Different varieties like to be rooted different ways, what I'll go into a later video. But this is my pink passion that I've got a lot of videos on. And this is 5 days of being dipped in honey. So I already got a root. And, whoops, where's it at? There it is. I already got a root to show you right above the node. And I couldn't be happier because these guys, they're very fussy. If you put them in water, like this crew over here, this has been February. And they're just starting to get roots now. So if I can get roots in 5 days, 10 days, honey is definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.